Write the complete and incomplete combustion reactions of the following fuels. Okay, let's go to A. So in this case, complete and incomplete. So for CH4, if I react that with O2, you know that the complete combustion would be CO2 plus H2O. So let's balance. 1:1 yung C. H is already 4. So I multiply this by 2. How many oxygen do I have? 2 and 2 is 4. So I need 2 in here. Okay? That's the complete combustion. Paano yung incomplete combustion? Still with oxygen, but now I'll form carbon monoxide plus H2O. Let's balance. This is 2. Ang oxygen natin ay 2 and 1, it's 3. So I can say 3 halves. Now letter B, C2H5OH. So ethanol. Reacting with oxygen to form CO2 and H2O. Let's balance. Dalawang C, so this one would be 2. We're okay with the C. Ang H natin is 5, 6. So that means this has to be 3. The oxygen would be 3 and 4. That's 7. There's already 1 in here. So 3 na lang yung kulang ko. And then for the incomplete combustion, it forms carbon monoxide plus water vapor. So yung C, I need 2 in here. H ko is 6. I need 3 in here. Ang oxygen ko now is 3 plus 2 is 5. There's already 1 in there. So 2 na lang kailangan ko. Next, letter C. C6H5 COOH. So I think this is benzoic acid plus oxygen. When you notice, and you might ask, sir, bakit wala yung nitrogen? Nitrogen does not get involved in the reaction. Okay? So this one, CO2 and H2O. 6. So 6 na. Ay, hindi. 7. C6 plus C. So 7 siya dapat. Sorry. So 7. Ang H ko 5. 1 is 6. This has to be 3. Okay, ang oxygen, 7 times 2, 14 plus 3, 17. Minus 2 is ilan? 15. Tama ba? So 14 plus 3. 17 minus COOH minus 2. Ilan yun? 15 over 2. Paano guys kapag same CO plus H2O? Ilang C? 6 plus 1, 7. Ilang H? 6. So this is 3. Ito, 3 plus 7 is 10. Minus 2 is 8. Am I correct that this is 4? All right. Next, H2S daw. So H2S plus oxygen. O wala siyang C, walang carbon. So it's simply H2O plus SO2. S, 1 is to 1. H, 2. So may 2 ka na. Ang oxygen mo, 2 and 1, 3. So this is 3 halves. Wala nang problem. Lastly, letter E. CH3SH plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O plus SO2. Yung isa naman, carbon monoxide plus SO2 pa rin plus H2O. Wala naman kasi sinabi kung sa SO2 kung SO2 or SO3 or magiging ano siya eh. So here, C 1:1, S 1:1, H is 4. This has to be 2. So the oxygen would be 2, 4, 6. This has to be 3. So again, in here, this would be 2. Ang oxygen ko ay 2, 4, 5. Therefore, this is 5 halves. Can you follow? All right.